Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sien Banyngkong ki MLA na Meghalaya kila Leit chanong ba New Delhi. Ban pen pau Hajan kador bar parliament ye ki mat ki jura ki bakta ya ka jella. Kini ki MLA ki day nakaseng All India Trinamool Congress ban mentakas ngi kila Leit ban ra di ki Jingthoh ne plakat ban pen pau ja ka sarkar India ya ki Jingdawa halor ki artali ki man. Kawai na kita kimat kalong bandawa badai ban pendam no ya ka soskular balaya soy hapedeng ke sarkar Assam ban Meghalaya ban pen beje uput usam haki henrio ne ki khat artli ki jaka badan ka jingya ka japun bat kamat ka baar kalong ban pen rong ya ka kden khasi bat garo ha ka khernet bapra jongkariti senchar ha ka nikas ngi ki nyongmut ki MLA ka AITC bakantho yu ba Charles Pingrom Dr. Mukul Sangma, Zenit Sangma, Dikanchi Di Shira, Ba George Bilingdo, Winasandi Sangma, Bad Lazarus M. Sangma, Gilalet Banyeng Havijay Chowk, Kabadan Hajan ka Parliament, Ban Penpau Yakitekiman. Lasan Ran Yakiniki MLA, Daka MP Kaseng AITC.
So we are protesting to draw the attention of the Government of India to take cognizance of the sentiment of the people of the state of Meghalaya in respect to the agreement which has been signed between the two state governments, that means the government of Meghalaya and Assam, to resolve the long-pending interstate border area dispute. Well, you are aware that there has been areas of difference between the two states along the interstate border. Now, any agreement that is being worked out to arrive at the solution must be acceptable to all the people, to all the stakeholders. And this was the precise reason why the people of Meghalaya expressed their the determination to urge the government to scrap the proposed agreement. When we are saying that it must be acceptable to all the people, means it should be acceptable to the people of Meghalaya as well as people of Assam. Here in the instant case, what has happened is that the areas which forms an integral part of our Khasi states and the areas where our people have stayed, lived for time immemorial are being pushed to Assam by this proposed agreement, or rather the agreement which has already been signed between Assam and Meghalaya government and which is pending with the Government of India for amendment of the Northeastern Reorganization Act. Now therefore, if these particular sentiments are perceived to be falling on deaf ears, people have reason to feel that the government of the day is insensitive to the sentiments of the people and our anti-people. That's why this unacceptable border pact between Assam and Meghalaya government must be scrapped. Now you understand that the aspirations of the people and again the overall vibrant diversity that we have as a nation revolves around the aspirations of our people to preserve and protect our identity, which revolves around also our language. Now there has been a persistent demand from the people of Meghalaya for inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Now, having done all the necessary due diligence to qualify for inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, we do not understand the reason why there should be further delay for the Government of India to take action on this and complete this whole process for inclusion of this Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule. This is inconsistent with the aspirations of our people, particularly the youth. You understand, the whole in the era of this globalization where people are looking at spaces of jobs all across the country, and also when you have the youth who are aspiring to offer themselves to serve the state, to serve the nation. Inclusion of these languages in the 8th schedule provides a space, or rather a platform for level playing ground for the youth.